Everybody, Joseph Orgeister here, NYC Basket Brigade. This is our 10th year doing this as a 501c3. We've been doing this for over 20 years in New York City as a community, typically meeting in Westchester. Past 7 years we've been here in Brownsville, Brooklyn. It's a pretty extraordinary partnership we have here with Brownsville. Get to see what we're doing here. This is the community. Hey. Bagging. It's amazing. Donna Smith. She's coordinating all this. She's fantastic. 7 years here, Brownsville. Yay, Brownsville!
Next time we want to see you all, come on out and join us, please, please.
Absolutely, come out and join us next time, next year.
Yes.
And we're still doing this in Westchester. So come November 15th to 19th. In about a week, we'll be doing it in Westchester. So come check it out here, and let's see what everyone else is doing here. Thank you, Donna. That's the packing, that's the bagging, we got apples, we got oranges, we got potatoes, we got sweet potatoes.
We need donations for more potatoes.
We need more donations for more potatoes, absolutely. We got cans of cut green beans, exactly. We've got tomato soup, we've got a whole lot here. The turkers are coming in.
We got
in the next few days. Yeah, yes, we're busy.
Cornbread.
All of this goes into a Thanksgiving basket that goes to feed a whole family of 5 to 8 people, sometimes even more. These are big families. It's an extraordinary experience. It really is. Being able to do this, being able to contribute this way. Come join us in Scarsdale, Westchester, from the 15th to the 19th. The 9th, we're making deliveries then. Most importantly, we need donations. Each year, it costs us about $30,000 to $40,000 to be able to do this, as far as the items, the collecting of items, and it makes a difference. So come join us, come donate. Go to nycbasketbrigade.com, and all the details to either volunteer in Scarsdale or to donate are there as well too. And come make a difference. Come feed people and New Yorkers. Come save lives. That's what this is all about. We'll talk to you soon. nycbasketbrigade.com.